doing it all. Is that better?
Sure.
Here's a cart.
Hi guys, I'm James and I'm the Director of Merchandising for Branded Food at Thrive Market. Okay, so now onto the vegan version. We're gonna be doing a little twist on it with sort of a buffalo, truffle, mac and cheese. The holidays for me and my family is all about getting together and enjoying a wonderful meal. Being a mixture of Chinese and American, we love to make sure we feature dishes from both cultures. Generally, I bring a mac and cheese to represent the American side. What I love about it is it really does remind me of my childhood. I do feel like over time, it was really something I was able to take and make my own and really sort of perfect it. Let's do it. So first we're gonna make the roux. Vegan butter, minced onion, minced garlic. This is really no different than what we were doing earlier. The only difference really is the ingredients. Brown mustard, fresh nutmeg, and we just wanna let the spices bloom. So here we have our all-purpose gluten-free flour. So now that our roux is ready, let's start adding in our warm oat milk. Don't be afraid to use vegan ingredients. In terms of technique and like what to expect, they're so close, there's nothing to fear. So from here, we're gonna start adding our cheese, vegan American, some shredded plant-based cheddar, plant-based Parmesan. Now we wanna do our little buffalo truffle twist to it. I'm gonna add in a little bit of cayenne, Noble Made, dairy-free medium buffalo sauce. Damn, that smells so good. Black truffle hot sauce. We want it to be a little too salty. Nice. So now that our cheese sauce is done, we want to add in our pasta, jovial brown rice, gluten-free shells. This smells so buffalo-y and truffle-y, if those are words. And as you can see, the texture is almost spot on with the full dairy, full gluten version. So now with our topping, we're gonna start with our vegan butter. Is it too much butter? Maybe. I don't think anyone's gonna complain about it. Char gluten-free breadcrumbs are made from rice flour and cornstarch, Noble Made, organic buffalo seasoning. A couple turns of this salt, maybe some pepper for some good measure. To finish it off before we put it into the oven, plant-based vegan sharp cheddar, vegan Parmesan, vegan mozzarella, and then the last thing that's gonna go on top of this are seasoned buffalo gluten-free breadcrumbs. We'll put this into a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven, middle rack, 30 minutes again. Now we're gonna try our vegan gluten-free buffalo truffle mac and cheese. We'll do a bit of drizzle of white truffle oil. Ooh, this is gooey. I've never made a version like this, but it looks really good. It smells promising. Wow, I'm really surprised by this. It's got great flavor. The buffalo, the truffle really comes through. Yeah. Good stuff. Well, now you've heard my verdict. Let's bring on the team and see what they think. Get in.
Try the OG.
All right, let's go for it. I'm going big bite.
Yeah.
That is so good. Can we try the other one?
I really like it.
That's got such a good kick to it.
If no one told me this was vegan, I wouldn't question it.
Well, you should definitely win another award for this one.
On this day, James won 2 awards.
Mac and cheese king.